Welcome, today we're going to show you how to play Minecraft on your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing that you need to do, from your Nintendo Switch 2 homepage or home screen, you need to go to Nintendo eShop, as see from here. After that, from the eShop, all you need to do is to just search for Minecraft. So, this is the Nintendo Store online, you can do the same online from your same account. So, you need to search for Minecraft, and I'll see from here, here's Minecraft. You can just click on it. And now you need to actually have $30 on your Nintendo account. So you need to just click on direct download on your Nintendo Switch 2. And after that, you need to pay the $30 on your Nintendo Switch 2. After that, you can just download the game. And after you purchase the game, you need to make sure that you have a stable network connection to download the game. And that's it. Now you can find the game on your home screen. I'll see from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.